Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You.
And I'm Alice, ready to learn something amazing today.
Before we start, I want to thank our new members who joined us this week. Rinitoro62, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Crosso15, we really appreciate your support. Karimana Sef 1919, thank you for joining us. And Vedat Karacha, U2X, welcome to our family.
We are so grateful to have you all here.
All right, let me ask you something shocking. Do you think I'm sorry means apology?
Of course it does. Everyone knows that.
Well, 90% of English learners think the same way, but here's the truth. I'm sorry has over 3,000 different meanings.
Wait, what? 3,000?
And most of them have nothing to do with saying sorry.
Oh my God, I've been using it wrong my whole life.
Don't worry, you're not alone. Last week, we talked about how native speakers rarely use the word soon. They prefer more specific expressions like in a bit or shortly.
That was such an eye-opener.
Today, we're going even deeper. We're looking at expressions you learned when you were 6 years old, but nobody taught you how to really use them.
This is so exciting.
By the end of this video, you'll unlock thousands of new ways to express yourself using words you already know.
I can't wait.
So here's the big idea for today. Simple words plus small additions equal native-like fluency.
That sounds too good to be true.
Let me prove it to you. Alice, when do you use I'm sorry?
When I make a mistake or hurt someone's feelings.
Exactly what most learners think, but native speakers use it in completely different situations. Let me show you the magic formula. I'm sorry plus to, that, or for create entirely new meanings.
Like what?
Imagine your friend tells you their cat died. Would you say I'm sorry by itself?
Yes?
That sounds like you killed the cat.
Oh no.
Instead, you say, I'm sorry to hear that. This means you feel sad for them, not guilty.
Wow, that's completely different.
Here's another one. You need to ask your boss a question while they're busy. What do you say?
Excuse me?
Good, but there's something better. I'm sorry to bother you, but could I ask something?
Oh, that sounds so polite.
It shows respect for their time. You're not apologizing for existing. You're acknowledging the interruption.
I need to write this down.
Here's a business situation. You have to deliver bad news to a client. Maybe their order will be delayed.
I would say, I'm sorry, your order is late.
Not bad, but listen to this. I'm sorry to say this, but there's been a delay with your order.
That sounds more professional.
It softens the bad news. You're preparing them mentally before the disappointment.
This is brilliant.
Now, let's talk about I'm sorry for. This one is for actions you actually did.
Like, I'm sorry for being late.
Perfect. You're getting it. But here's where it gets interesting. You can use it for things that aren't really mistakes.
What do you mean?
I'm sorry to ask, but how old are you?
Wait, why are you sorry for asking?
You're not really sorry. You're just being polite about a sensitive topic.
Oh, so it's like a cushion for uncomfortable topics.
Exactly. You're thinking like a native speaker now. Let me give you a real story. I have a friend from Mumbai who works in IT. His name is Raj.
Okay.
Raj wrote emails to his American team for 2 years. He always started with I'm sorry for everything.
What's wrong with that?
His manager thought he was insecure and lacked confidence.
Oh no.
Then Raj learned this formula we're teaching today. He started using I'm sorry to bother you and I'm sorry to follow up.
And?
6 months later, he got promoted.
Just from changing how he used I'm sorry?
Communication is everything in business. Small changes create big impressions.
Wait, I'm getting a bit confused. Can you explain this one more time, but simpler?
Of course. Think of it this way. I'm sorry alone is like saying my fault. But when you add words after it, you're not taking blame. You're showing empathy, politeness, or respect.
Oh, so it's about the feeling, not the fault.
Exactly. You just discovered the native speaker mindset.
This is making so much sense now.
Here's a fun challenge for you. Never say I'm sorry alone again. Always add something after it within 3 seconds.
3 seconds?
Yes, train your brain to complete the phrase automatically.
I love this rule.
Now I have a question for all of you watching. How do you currently use I'm sorry in your daily life? Leave a comment and share your experiences.
Yes, please share. We want to hear your stories.
Now, let's move to something even more shocking. Alice, what does I can't help mean?
Easy. It means I cannot help you.
Wrong.
What? But that's what it says.
This is the biggest misunderstanding in English. I can't help has nothing to do with helping others.
Then what does it mean?
It means you cannot control yourself from doing something.
You're blowing my mind right now.
Listen to this sentence. I can't laughing when I see that video.
So you mean the laughing just happens automatically?
Exactly. You have no control over it. Here's the structure. I can't help plus verb with ing.
Give me more examples.
I can't help thinking about you.
Oh, that's romantic.
I can't help feeling nervous before presentations.
That's me every time.
I can't help eating chocolate when I'm stressed.
Okay, that's definitely me.
See? It's about emotions and actions you cannot stop.
This is completely different from what I learned in school.
There's also another pattern. I can't help but plus base verb.
What's the difference?
Same meaning, slightly more formal. I can't help but agree with you.
So I cannot stop myself from agreeing.
Perfect understanding. I can't help but wonder what happened.
The wondering is automatic.
You're getting this so fast. Let me tell you about Yuki from Tokyo.
Another story?
Yes, this one is important. Yuki went on a date with an American guy.
Okay, I'm listening.
The guy said, I can't help loving you.
That's so sweet.
But Yuki thought he said, I cannot help you with loving.
Oh no, what a disaster.
She got confused and left the date early.
Poor Yuki.
2 weeks later, she learned the real meaning.
Did she call him back?
She did, and now they're married.
That's the best ending ever.
Language mistakes can be fixed, but missed opportunities cannot.
That's so true.
Now, let me teach you the mindset behind this. English loves to express feelings as things that happen to you.
What do you mean?
You don't say, I love you with my will. You say, I can't help loving you, because love just happens.
Oh, so English treats emotions like natural forces.
Exactly, like rain or wind. You don't control them. They happen to you.
This is such a beautiful way to think.
This is why English speakers say, I fell in love. You don't climb into love. You fall.
Because falling is uncontrollable.
Now you're thinking in English.
I feel like my brain just upgraded.
Let's practice together. I'll give you a situation and you make a sentence.
Okay, I'm ready.
You see a cute puppy on the street.
I can't help smiling when I see cute puppies.
Perfect. Next one. Your friend keeps making the same mistake.
I can't help but worry about them.
Excellent. One more. You're watching a sad movie.
I can't help crying during sad movies.
You've mastered it.
This feels so natural now.
That's because you're not translating anymore. You're thinking directly in English patterns.
This is the best feeling ever.
Before we finish, I want to talk about next week's topic. We haven't decided what to cover yet.
Really?
We want you to tell us. What English expression confuses you the most?
Yes, please leave comments.
What situations make you hesitate when speaking?
We're reading every single comment.
The most requested topic will be our next video.
We can't wait to hear your ideas.
All right, Alice, can you summarize what we learned today?
Yes, today we learned that I'm sorry isn't just for apologies. We can use it with to, that, or for to show empathy and politeness. And I can't help doesn't mean refusing to help others. It means we cannot control our feelings or actions.
That's a perfect summary. I want to add one more thing. Don't try to memorize all these patterns. Instead, notice them when you watch movies or read books.
Yes, that's how I'm learning now.
The PDF worksheet in our membership area has all of today's examples.
I use that PDF every day, and it helps so much.
If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already.
And consider joining our membership.
You'll get PDF summaries of every lesson.
Plus exclusive practice exercises.
Remember, fluency isn't about learning new words. It's about using simple words in native ways.
Thank you all so much for watching.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.